barbecuing for the 4th of July. 2 grills going today. On a big grill you got ribs, pork chops, short ribs. Little bitty grill, you got chicken legs, chicken thighs. Pulling double duty today. Barbecuing with 2 barbecue grills. Happy 4th of July. This is what we do every holiday. Two grill action going on. Gotta love that smoke. It ain't the holiday. You don't smell no smoke. Ha ha, any kind of smoke. Yeah. That's what I'm doing today. Trying to close the top. Yeah, you know, you gotta adjust your vents, control your smoke. Trying to close the top on a little bitty one. You know, you gotta control your smoke. Just like that. That's how you control your smoke. Got this little charcoal grill. I use Kingsford Matchlight. If you can see what I'm using. It's Kingsford Matchlight. You pan down. Got some chips. Apple chips. Here's the second batch of ribs, pork chops, short ribs. They got a little smoker grill over here. Nothing special, just regular charcoal. But we got something in the pan. Let's see what's in the pan. Bratwurst. Wow. So what we got bratwurst in that pan. So, and I got my own little barbecue mix. I'm pretty sure everyone got barbecue mix. You have a little flare-ups, you know, you gotta have a little mix. Try to put the fire out. This is my barbecue mix. So yeah. And I'm glad y'all decided to stop by and check me out on my holiday. So now that y'all done seen my little how-to barbecue video, I'm finna go enjoy my holiday. You do the same.